Indian troops launched cordon and search operation in the Pulwama district of the occupied Kashmir today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops cordoned off the area of the district and launched massive search operations. The troops also fired several bullets at different places in the area. The operation continued till last reports came in. All parties, Hurriyat Conference leaders and organizations have said that India is an established violator of the human rights and is continuously trampling the international laws and conventions in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders and organizations in their statements issued in Srinagar deplored that Narendra Modi-led Indian government has snatched all basic rights of the people of the occupied Kashmir. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of two persons booked under draconian law, the Public Safety Act. According to Kashmir Media Service, the High Court quashed the illegal detention of Shabir Ahmed Khande and Amir Amin Dar, who were booked under the PSA last year. The court directed the authorities to immediately release the detainees. People held a protest demonstration at Hajin in Bandipora district today against the Water Resources Department's failure to ensure sufficient water supply to their areas. According to Kashmir Media Service, scores of the local residents, including women, gathered and blocked the Hajin-Sopore road to draw attention to their water-related grievances. A man was killed and his friend injured when the motorcycle they were riding was deliberately hit by an Indian Army vehicle in the Doda district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, an Indian Army truck deliberately hit a motorcycle, injuring Muhammad Aslam Didar and his friend Muhammad Sharif. Another member of the Sikh community and his 11-year-old son were killed in Edmonton City of Canada. According to Kashmir Media Service, Harpreet Singh Uppal and his son were shot dead in the broad daylight in their vehicle on Thursday outside a gas station at a shopping plaza. A delegation of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter visited the office of the former member of the AJK Legislative Assembly, Peer Ali Raza Bukhari, in Islamabad. According to Kashmir Media Service, the delegation members congratulated Peer Ali Raza Bukhari on his appointment as a permanent representative to the United Nations by the Pakistan Council for Social Welfare and Human Rights.